So when you're in a shooting location, it's really important to kind of look over the entire area. If the bride's getting ready, look at all the things that you could shoot. Give it time. I mean, you might spend 5 minutes, even 10 minutes. Don't just automatically grab your camera and start shooting things, because you're going to be shooting the same things you always shoot. But look at the room, see what's different, see what people are doing, what makes us unique, okay? The types of dynamic shots you can shoot. There's all sorts of things that are going to be different from every shoot, and it's important to kind of look at all the shots you can do, and then have it in your head. Have a dozen shots, 15 shots, just lined up that you can go to. So you're constantly thinking of new shots as you're shooting those shots. And you can kind of run through them, and then you can kind of say, okay, I got all those shots. And that'll really help you, rather than just trying to shoot the same shots you shoot all the time. Try to figure out what's different there. And you might even avoid shooting shots that you always shoot, in a way of kind of making yourself get out of your comfort zone. But the idea is to kind of look for everything, look for the visual interest, look for the things that are going to make the shoot interesting for you.